So, after heating the pan, you place already the cooking oil, boil it, then in a little while, you put the salt. To prevent splatter of oil on your face, you add pinch of salt to absorb the moisture. Okay, so it's ready to fry your bangus. May fluttering oil because you place the salt. So, cook already, you're no longer afraid. So, cook already, you're no longer afraid to fry bangus from now on because of the pinch of salt you place first after heating your cooking oil. That's it, guys. It's ready to eat our crispy bangus. Delicious. And then we will use vinegar with garlic and pepper for our sauce. Nice and delicious.